So in our constant quest to get more information for our cases, to be a better investigator, I found a website called ifootage.com. And it asks and will pay for people to upload videos that they've taken of car accidents. And then they provide a service to the insurance industry to type in the location, a claim number, etc., to provide dash cam video of different crashes. So not only am I going to attempt to become a member so that I can get access to this, it is something we've added that we ask for any and all dash cam videos, etc., not just taken that are work product, but if they get it off of something like iFootage, that video was not taken in the anticipation of litigation. It was not taken by someone at the insurance company's direction, so it's not work product. So at a minimum, they have to list it on their privilege log, and then you can fight it. But I'm looking for other examples, any other ways that anyone out here has found video on YouTube of accidents, of things that have happened, any other websites or resources.